What is up, everybody? It is Lawrence again, and today we are here to do an unboxing of another drop for the NCAA March Madness tournament, except the fact that the March Madness tournament is no longer happening. I'm so glad that shoes are still being released for it. Some of the colorways have been awesome. I did an unboxing of the Kentucky Dunk Low yesterday, and I'm going to continue this forward. I actually got this a couple weeks ago, but I actually haven't had a chance to look at it yet. So this is the unboxing of the Air Jordan 3 in the UNC colorway. And for those that don't know, the UNC colorway was actually released as a player's exclusive. Player's exclusive means that it's a shoe that's only released to that team and or person that the shoe was made for. And this was obviously designed for the UNC Tar Heels. And the UNC Tar Heels is Michael Jordan's alma mater. That's where he played. That's where he got the start of his stardom, and he absolutely dominated college basketball when he was playing, the same way when he transcended into the NBA and became one of the, if not the best player of all time. So with that out of the way, let's get into the unboxing of the UNC Air Jordan 3. So the UNC Air Jordan 3 comes in this sweet baby blue color with the Jordan logo on there. This is usually done in a black, so it's really interesting to see that they utilize the UNC blue on the box itself. So that itself, that little touch is awesome, and then the rest of it is elephant print, as you can see over there. So unboxing it for the first time, I haven't seen these yet, so lift off that cover. You get elephant print tissue paper. Little things like this matter. Flipping it open. There you have, ladies and gents, the UNC Air Jordan 3. So it's absolutely a gorgeous shoe. I've actually seen this around town quite a bit already. I believe they released almost like 3 weeks ago, and I have to say that these are so clean. I've actually been waiting for a pair like this to come out. I kind of had chances with this with other pairs as well, but I finally decided to pull the trigger on these just because I just absolutely love the color blocking on it, and there's these little details that I'll explain in a second that I really love. But usually I try to wear less black shoes during the summer times and spring months, and so these Air Jordan 3 black cements are they're gonna go on ice until the winter time, and these are gonna be the new bad boys. So really, first impressions, what I really like about the shoe is that they have navy eyelets as well. So there's navy eyelets over there, navy eyelets over there on top. So what I absolutely love about this shoe right now already is what they did with the Jumpman logo. If you kind of look at the regular Air Jordan 3, there's no outline on the player. So it's typically just that typical red and or whatever color that ends up being. But that's over there. But over here, they outline it with that navy blue, which is the Carolina colors. And I think that's super sick. It really makes the Jordan pop out. I'm not hating on it at all. And then the other thing that's a major change, and people are either going to hate it or love it. I'm okay with it. I don't normally love this, but because I prefer the Nike Air symbol on top. But if you look at it, usually the OG style has the Nike Air on it, and then kind of the GR pairs will have the Jordan Air instead. I don't mind it on this pair. The other thing about this shoe is, I don't know if you guys know this, but they kind of released a remastered version of the Air Jordan 3, and I'm actually going to put them on top of each other so you can see the difference. The Air Jordan 3, starting with, I can't remember what the color was, but it's a red one, and it's predominantly red, and you can see that there is a sleeker profile in the in kind of the UNC version. If you look at the Air Jordan 3 below, it actually comes, it's a little bulbous near the front where the toe box is, and you don't have that here, and so it slopes down a lot more on the newer pair on the UNC, and I like that a lot. I don't know if it's gonna fit any different, but we'll see later on. But if you have any questions about the UNC Air Jordan 3, leave them in the comments below. If you have a chance, definitely hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Let me know if if you have this pair and what you think about it. Until next time, this is the UNC Air Jordan 3. Peace.